Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today's Monday, March the 9th. I guess it's a historical day since we see the Dow falling at some point 2,000 points. Let's take a quick look at the chart of the futures, YM. And yeah, down here at some point was 23,532 compared to yesterday's close or Friday's close of 25,736. Okay, so that was more than 2,000 points, but by the close it was $1,889. So that's a huge drop. And I believe that we are not done yet. Let me just go quickly through the trades here. I'm clicking here on the P&L. Okay, so to consider whether we need to get out of PG, Procter & Gamble. That's Procter & Gamble, PG. And the stock is trading at 116. Here's where we are. And honestly, I don't see that as a good point to exit this trade. Let's look at the chart. I think that is only now giving me a sell signal, so there's a lot more to win with that one. KB is at 104, 105% returns on that trade. KBH. And this made new lows here, and I think it will continue. And I'll show you a technique that I would use to sort of give me a target. Analyze. And you can see we are here. This expires on April the 17th. But look at the distance between those two, between my maximum profit band here at $38 versus $28.81. So we are $10 away from that. So do you believe that it's going to go back up to 38? I don't think so, at least not that quick. So I'm just as soon let it ride. PayPal, PYPL. And that's another one that is showing me very much a lot of weakness right now, so I wouldn't want to get out of that, although we are very close to the maximum profit there. And my point here of maximum profit, the band here is 117. That's 17 points. It seems like another world to make that much back at this point, based on what we have seen the market going down. So it's very, very bearish, and so it doesn't seem like a good idea to close out of that one. Adobe, same thing. Adobe just collapsed today. Huge number of points here from the previous high of 386, here 362, and now it's 300. So almost 100 point here. And they have earnings, and you would think that with earnings could possibly bounce back. And here is our trade, and our maximum profit would be 265. I'm at 205, and do I need to do anything March 20? Probably not. Okay, so I'm going to leave that alone. And I think you would find, if you have bearish trades, that you probably want to not touch anything because the market is just going down so quickly. It seems like getting out, profit taking would be more like cutting your winnings before they happen. Okay, let me just go. I'm not going to enter new trades. I think the market is too bearish to begin looking for reversals, and I really don't have anything there, and it's too low to find bearish trades. Right now, we need to see the market perhaps go sideways a little, bounce back up a little bit, and somewhere between the high and the low, there will be a point in which you would see new trades coming in. Right now, it's better to stay out of the way. I want to show you then, let's say, how far do I think this is going. I want a clean chart. Let's remove all studies. Okay, and that's Adobe, but let's put SPX. Okay, this is our trade right now. This is our chart right now. And this is, in Elliott Wave parlance, is what is called a waterfall. And it's a WXY sort of chart. And in essence, let me just label it here, X. Am I going to have trouble labeling this? X. I'm sorry. Here, let's call this the... Sorry about that. Sorry about that. That's my X. Let's duplicate that drawing. And that's my W. And WX and Y is whatever we find at bottom here. That's what Y will be. Okay, so we have to guesstimate where that Y may be. Okay, so the way I do this is based on the duration of W should be about the same duration and quantity wise, the length of Y, the number of points. So I use my Fibonacci extensions to click on the highest point, then click on at the bottom of W. I have click is not working. Sorry about that. It's just not good system. There we go. And then at the top of X will be somewhere here between those two bars. And here is my target, 25.96. Okay, so it's a good 300 points to go. It could even be lower. Now I draw, then you may ask, how long before we reach that? Well, using the Fibonacci, the channels here, click on the high again. There we go. And then again at the top of X and extend that as much as you can, like that. Make sure that it touches the X. That's my channel. Click on that. And then duplicate that and go lower here so that it touches the W. And that's my channel. Okay, so somewhere here is my target. At the bottom of the channel, but also at about 100%, meaning that the Y will be as long as the W. And so I'm targeting. I'm putting a circle here or an oval. Somewhere here is my target. Okay, so we're getting close. After that, there will be a bounce, and then there will be, I don't know how much would it be. That's very hard to calculate, but there will be a bounce, and then we will see if it will continue lower or it will make a double top. It could be as much as a double top. It could be as little as 38.2% retracement. Okay, so that is my target. And once that is reached, then we have a Fibonacci. Let's say it goes down exactly what I wanted, what I'm projecting right there, then there will be a bounce. Could be 38.2, could be 50%, could be 61.8, 80%, or make an actual double top. Okay, so that is what I'm projecting. So we are still going down in this first wave of a longer term bear market. And so will be the time. It's too soon to start putting bullish trades, and it's too late to start putting bearish trades. So I'm staying out of the market from now. Okay, and I will take my profits. Once this market is reached, I can close all my bearish positions if they haven't expired themselves. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
For this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.putgoldgenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.